Earth looks from space on the Discovery Channel. What a beautiful sight it was! How the Earth looks from space on the Discovery Channel. What a beautiful sight it was!
The Earth is indeed very beautiful.
Yes, and it is round too. I always thought that it was flat.
So these two friends are discussing that.
Social book.
Huh?
Social book.
Yes, of course. So she says that Earth is round and she found it in the Discovery Channel. Earlier, she thought that Earth was flat.
The Earth is not flat. It is round. It is slightly fat in the center and flattened at the top and the bottom.
Ma'am, the video is over.
Yeah, next video.
Globes and maps. Types of maps. Maps can be drawn to represent a variety of information. They can show cities, roads, climate, population, and distribution of minerals.
Okay, these are the type of maps. Have you ever seen maps?
I see a map.
Yeah,
I
so
brought one.
Yeah,
There
this-
is a plenty of
yeah, this is India map.
India map.
Yeah, this is all of you maintain silence. This is India map.
They can show cities,
They can show cities, states,
roads, climate,
and different paths, roads, climate,
population,
and population in each particular city or state.
and distribution of minerals.
Yeah, natural resources, you know, minerals, iron, everything.
Ma'am, I see
Maps can be of many types. Political maps. They focus on the
Yeah, first we learn what are the different types of maps.
state and national.
Political map. First one is political map.
They focus on the state and national boundaries.
Yeah, in the political map, we can find out what are the different states in our country and what are the boundaries. Boundaries means, suppose see my cursor. Here is the Telangana state. This is where we stay. Can you see Hyderabad? So this is the boundary of our state. This line is the boundary. That means if we cross this boundary, then we will go to the next state. So political maps gives the picture of the boundary of each particular state. Okay.
Of a place. They also include locations of cities.
Yeah, and where exactly each and every city is there in that state, that also it shows.
Physical maps. They show the physical features of a place.
Political map shows the boundaries and states and cities, whereas physical map shows.
They show the physical features of a place. They generally show things like mountains.
Yeah, physical features. What are the different physical features? Mountains,
rivers, and lakes.
Mountains, rivers, and lakes.
Climate maps. These maps give information about the climate of a place.
See, in the Kashmir, in the topmost, northmost, here the climate will be cold. In south, it will be hot. In the right side, it will be humid. In the west side, it will be a mixture of all the climates.
Ma'am, what is
so climate
humid,
map?
ma'am?
Huh?
What is humid?
Humid means moist. That means just before it rains, how it will be? Before it rains or after it rains, it will be humid, right? You feel sweaty. That is humid. Humid means moisture in the air. Moisture means little bit of water.
Road maps. These maps show the major and minor highways and roads.
Yeah, you know our highway. This is Bombay Highway. The highway which that Miapur road is there, right? If we take that road, it will directly take us to Bombay. So all the highways will be shown in the road map.
as well as airports, city locations, and points.
Yeah, it also shows airports.
Economic or resource maps. These maps give us information about the major types of natural resources.
Yeah, these are the different types of natural resources like lead and zinc, copper, bauxite, iron, manganese, gold. If we say gold is C, you can see a circle here, right? Here it is written gold. That means here we will get gold. The natural resource we get here. And here it is plus. Plus means manganese. That means in Rajasthan, this is the state of Rajasthan. The manganese will be available. So each resource where it is available in the different parts of country is represented by economic or resource map.
Or economic activities of an area.
Ma'am,
1 second. I'm sharing.
video is over.
The video is over.
Now what we do?
So globes and maps. So what is our lesson name? All of you, you have a rough book?
Globes and maps. Globes and
I asked you
maps.
to maintain one rough book. Is it?
Globes and maps. Yes, ma'am.
Write that today's lesson date, today's date. Write the lesson name as
And we have to write in notebook or textbook.
globes and maps.
And where, ma'am, will you write?
I asked you to maintain one rough book running notes so that you can understand what terms you learned on that particular date. So today we are learning, our lesson name is globes and maps. That is lesson 2.
And we have to write in notebook or textbook.
Textbook, how can you write? You maintain a rough book or running notes.
And we have to write in notebook. In my rough book.
Nihan, write in rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am, writing that.
So all of you open textbook. Our lesson name is globes and maps. Okay. Now what is this, all of you? Tell me.
Right, ma'am.
Earth. Now actually the Earth is a large planet. We already learnt in the first class that is a large planet. It is not, it is so large that it is very difficult to find out any particular place. For example, this is our globe.
Page number.
Huh?
Page
You need to
number.
open textbook, Chansika. First understand the concept.
Ma'am, we need to write that, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, I'm writing the rough book you said. We need to write the earth thing, ma'am.
No need to write. Just we'll understand the lesson. Okay, Earth is a large planet. So it is so large, it is so big that it is very difficult to find out a particular place. So globes and maps help us to find out a place very easily. How? First of all, what is this? This is our planet Earth. Isn't it? So the Earth is large planet. It is easy to locate. It is not easy to locate a place on Earth. Globes and maps help us to do so. How do they help? So what is a globe? Have you ever seen, does anybody has globe with you right now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is globe. What do you mean by globe? A globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. What do you mean by three-dimensional?
Ma'am, I got a globe, ma'am. I can show you if you
Sure.
want.
Sure.
This is Aishwarya, ma'am. I'll get it.
Yeah. So globe is a three-dimensional. For example, a book is a two-dimensional thing. That is 1 and 2, only two sides. Whereas globe, we can see the three-dimensional picture. You know 3D pictures? Have you ever seen 3D with that classes?
No.
So similarly, globe is a three-dimensional picture of the earth. It's a model. Okay, we have an original earth. This is just a model of the original earth. It has, what does the globe has? It has continents.
Ma'am, I have.
Yeah, Chansika, good. Okay. So it has continents, countries, islands, oceans, lakes, rivers, mountains marked on it. Chansika, can you see the different continents, countries and all that on the globe? Is it written or just only the pictures? It's written, right? Show. Yeah, show India.
Ma'am, this is Aishwarya, ma'am. I got my
Oh, she
globe.
has got big globe, right? Can you show me India in that?
India?
Yeah. Yes, all of you, can you see Aishwarya's globe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes. So we can easily find out where are the countries, continents if we have a globe. And also not just countries, continents, islands, oceans, lakes, rivers, mountains. Everything is marked on it. Aishwarya, every country, continent, oceans, everything, their names are written on it, isn't it? Yes or no? Everything is marked, right?
Yes, ma'am. It
So
says
it is very
names.
easy to find out where is Pacific Ocean, where is Indian Ocean, where are the different continents.
Have a map.
Yeah, wait. So everything is very, very easy to find out on the globe. And but all of you remain silent when I explain. Okay, but don't you think so? Can we carry this globe all the time? Suppose you want to carry it to the school or college. Is it possible to carry?
No, ma'am.
It's very difficult because it is circular shape. We cannot put it in the bag and all that. So it is very difficult to carry.
It is also
Also,
heavy.
and also Aishwarya, if you show it to me,
What can I show you, ma'am?
all of you remain silent. So Aishwarya is showing, Aishwarya show like this globe. Show to me. Yeah, but I can see only this side of the countries, this side of the globe. Can I see the opposite side of the countries, opposite side of the globe? Is it possible? No, we can't see, right? This side facing me is only this side, not back side. So it shows only half of the earth at a time. And it does not show too many details, okay? It doesn't show each and every detail. Only countries, continents, oceans, and countries. That's it. Rivers. That's it. It doesn't show all the details. So in order to remove these difficulties, we are learning about maps. So globe is very good, but it has got some disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? What are the drawbacks? First thing is we cannot carry. Second thing, it only shows half of the earth. And third thing is it does not show each and every detail. It shows only major details. Okay, so now tell me, what is a globe?
A globe is a copy.
Three-dimensional
A globe is a copy model of
Globe tells us
a globe is a
Okay, what does it shows? What does it represents?
countries. So
Countries,
countries,
oceans,
ocean, river,
continents, Continents,
Rivers.
rivers,
Reverse.
Lakes. 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 Ma'am, lakes. Lakes. Ma'am, this is
Lake, ma'am.
Please.
and
Roads. And roads, ma'am. Roads. We need to write,
Earth.
so what? All of you remain silent. Maintain silence, please.
Earth.
Houses.
Houses it doesn't show. Okay, now what are the disadvantages?
Boundaries.
Boundaries. Boundaries means suppose you are going from Hyderabad to some place. What is the last boundary? When you cross that, you go to the different place. Suppose you go to Secunderabad. You know Secunderabad?
I know, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll show you with the map. Then you will understand.
We have to write this one, ma'am. And we also know, ma'am.
So what are disadvantages of global? First of all, what are the disadvantages of
We need
global?
to write it or we should just see.
Understand.
Not easy
We
to
cannot carry. First thing is we cannot carry. And the second thing is we can see only half of Earth. Isn't it? And third thing is all the details are not included. Did you all understand? Any doubt with regard to this?
No,
First,
ma'am, we should write. Ma'am, we should write this enough.
No, I'm just saying, if you can write, you write. But don't tell, please show the board. This I'm just for understanding purpose, I'm writing. First, we learnt about globes and maps. I showed the video. There we saw different types of maps like physical map, climate map, resource map, and all that. Now, like next we came to globes. What is a globe? Globe, our Earth is in the model of a globe is a model of our Earth. And what is it? What is it? It is a three-dimensional model of the Earth. So what it represents? It represents countries, continents, oceans, rivers, and lakes. And what are the disadvantages of globes? First thing is it is very big. We cannot carry. Second thing is we can see only half of the Earth. And third thing is all the details are not included. Any doubt with regard to this?
No doubts, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain again?
Which point you want me to explain, Varshika?
Ma'am, I want to explain third point, ma'am.
Third point, that means all the details. That means each and every particular detail. Only globe is telling continents, oceans, rivers, and all that. But it is not talking about resources. It is not talking about highways. Okay, it is not talking about political things. Nothing he talks. Only few details it gives. It does not give all the details. So, in order to learn all the details, we will be learning about maps. Okay. Since there are many disadvantages with the globes, we will be learning about maps. What do you know what does disadvantage mean? What are advantages and disadvantages?
Use and no use, ma'am. This is
Limitations. Disadvantage means there are some problems with that. There are some issues with that.
advantages means no issues.
Now let's come to map. Globe is a three-dimensional model, whereas a map is a pictorial representation. That means we are representing India or different continents or countries in the form of a picture. Shreya, answer. Where is it? You asked, right? What is the boundary? Boundary means, suppose, see this country. This country, can you see the cursor? So this is the country.
And we can see Canada.
Okay, this is the boundary of the country. If you cross that boundary, we go to another place. Okay, that is the line. Okay. Now, what is map? Map is a pictorial representation of Earth on a surface. See, globe is a circular thing, globe-like thing. Whereas map is a flat thing. Did you ever see maps? You have flat paper maps, right? Physical map, India map,
Ma'am,
world
I have map. Ma'am, I have map.
map. Show that map.
Ma'am, I also have 3 maps. Can I show you? Ma'am, I
Yes.
don't have that. I will also bring. I also have map.
Because all of you know what is a map, right? So a map is a pictorial representation of Earth on a surface. It is not a photograph. Do you think map is a photograph? Randavi, see here.
Ma'am, here I'm showing my map.
Show.
See my map. Ma'am, can you show one? Ma'am, my map. I'm showing my map.
Who is showing?
Ma'am, can you see my map?
Who is showing? Tell your name.
My name is Shansika and Kaushik.
Kansika and Kaushik are showing the map. See that. Yeah, give your attendance. Aishwarya,
India puzzle.
Anish, Anvi,
Present, ma'am.
Kansika, Gagan Ram,
Present, ma'am.
Gagan Ram, Harini, Harshini,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
This is Harini, ma'am.
Harshit, Ayashri,
Present, ma'am. Present,
Himanya.
Harini, ma'am.
Yeah, Harini, I go.
Present, ma'am. I'm Himanya.
Jasmita,
Present, ma'am. Jasmita.
Leslie,
Present, ma'am.
Karthik,
Present, ma'am.
Kushal,
Present, ma'am.
Kaushik,
Present, ma'am.
Manashwini,
Present, ma'am.
Mokshit,
Present, ma'am.
Nihan, Jason,
Present, ma'am.
Pranavi,
Ma'am, I'm present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Pranavi.
Trivakram.
Ma'am, I'm present.
Yes, I gave. Rupeksha, is she present? Okay. Rushita, Ritvika,
Present, ma'am.
Akshaj,
Present, ma'am.
Anish Reddy, is he present?
Present is present only, ma'am.
Santosh Ram.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Anisha is
Yeah,
present.
I gave. Santosh Ram,
Present, ma'am.
Sharanya,
Present, ma'am.
Siddhartha, Srivarnika,
Present, ma'am.
Priyansh,
Present, ma'am.
Varshika,
Present, ma'am.
Vedesh.
Present, ma'am.
Vedesh, why you didn't come in the last classes? Why you were absent for many days? Vijnana, Vishnu Sattva,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yagnesh, Yuva Santosh,
Present, ma'am.
Avaneet.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so globe is a three-dimensional figure, whereas map is a pictorial representation. But map is not a photograph, and it shows a part of Earth surface on the flat piece of paper. So just now, who showed maps? Kaushik and Chansika showed maps, right? It is a flat paper on that Earth map. Some part of the globe or some part of the Earth is shown as a picture. Devansh, where did you go? You cannot leave the class. How many times I should tell you? Okay, it shows a part of the Earth's surface on the flat piece of paper. And a person who makes a map is called as cartographer. All of you repeat. Cartographer. Listen, a person who makes maps are called as cartographer. Yes, cartographer. Yes, now let's understand the differences between maps and globes. First, tell me without seeing the screen,
Okay,
what is
ma'am.
the first difference between a globe and a map? What is the first difference? See, globe is a
A
big,
globe is a
three-dimensional.
three-dimensional.
Yes, and map is
Three-dimensional. A
Flat.
map is a flat.
yes. So let's take a quick look into the differences between the globes and maps. See here. First, maps are flat, whereas globes are round. And one more disadvantage I told, globe is very difficult to carry. See, Chansika is showing that globe. Is it possible for her to carry to any other place? No, it's not.
No.
Whereas
It-
maps are flat pieces of paper. So you can easily carry wherever you want.
Maps are easy to carry anywhere.
Yes, they are easy to carry. They are difficult to carry. They are
People
next
use maps for
expensive.
finding
See,
direction.
very good. Globe is very costly, isn't it? Expensive. How much is that globe? It must be around 100 or 200 rupees or maybe more than that. Whereas a map, we just get for 5 rupees or 10 rupees, isn't it? So globes are costly, whereas maps are cheap. And globes takes lot of space, whereas map paper you can just keep inside a book, isn't it? All of you listen properly. I'll close this paper, I'll close the screen and I will ask the differences, each and everybody. Okay, fourth difference is map takes only very less space because it's just a piece of paper.
And time is
Whereas-
over.
1 minute. Whereas globe takes lot of space. It occupies lot of space.